BIQ OOZ9S Pro is shaping up to be a solid contender in the mid-range smartphone segment, offering a blend of powerful features and stylish design. Performance. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, which promises high efficiency and performance for both daily tasks and gaming. It also features a 5500 mAh battery with 80 wired fast charging, ensuring quick top-ups 9 source 10 source ... Display and build. BIQ Z9S Pro boasts a 3D curved AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 4500 nits, making it highly visible even under direct sunlight. It is IP64 rated for dust and splash resistance and has a sleek design with a thickness of just 7.49 mm. UNO source. Camera. The camera setup is a highlight, with a 50MP primary sensor featuring OIS and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. It supports 4K video recording and includes AI-driven features like AI Photo Enhance and AI Erase, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. The portrait mode, in particular, delivers sharp details and natural-looking background blur. 8 source 10 source ... Drawbacks. The phone lacks a dedicated telephoto lens, and while digital